In this video, I will be showing you how to turn a Notion page into a Gamma AI presentation. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking the Create New AI button at the top of the dashboard. From the options, I'll select Paste in Text and make sure the Presentation toggle is active. Now, I'll switch over to my Notion workspace to find the content I want to use. I'm going to highlight all the text on this strategy page and copy it. Back in the Gamma tab, I'll paste that content into the box, choose the Generate from Notes or an Outline option, and then click Continue to Prompt Editor. On this screen, I can refine the output by setting the amount of text to concise. I'll scroll down to choose the Petrol theme and adjust my card count to 8 before clicking Generate. Now, the AI starts building the deck slide by slide, automatically creating layouts and adding visuals based on my Notion notes. Once the generation is finished, I can now edit and start changing the content if I want. I can use the toolbar on the right to adjust layouts, add more content, or insert elements like charts and videos to perfect the final look. And there you have it. That's the complete process of turning a Notion page into a Gamma AI presentation.